god, such a beautiful day today. Oh, I love the fall season. Hey guys, what's up? It's what is it? Currently 11/26, November 26, or was it no, the 27th? Fuck, I can't even keep up with my dates, but today's the last day of my Thanksgiving break, and I'm kinda bummed out since I have not done shit, like for real. I have so much homework to do, and I told myself before break that I was gonna get all of this done, and look what happened. I have a group project that I need to finish, and it's due tomorrow, and I hate myself. Oh my god, why do I put things up last minute, like for real? But I have no idea what I have planned for today. Although I'm gonna go hang with a friend back at school. We're just probably just ball and chill, and plus I'm gonna head to Ikea with him as well. I don't know for what reason, but I just thought, why don't I just tag along? So like last night was such an interesting conversation I had with my friend. So unfortunately he has a friend on Facebook who saw my status that if I like started a vlog channel, like would anybody watch it? And for real, this guy was like trying to convince me to start making these videos. And I was just like laughing my ass off thinking, you guys really want to see us? Like, then she's just like, oh hell yeah, man. It's like, your life is so entertaining and interesting, man. I'm like, but the problem is I don't know what I want to talk about. So just like right now, you just see me just like with a blank expression trying to figure out what I want to say. So look what I'm doing right now. Oh my god, I can't do this. So like legit, yeah, so like he told me to like start this vlog YouTube channel, but I was like thinking to myself, how exactly will my life be interesting? So I like told him I would actually rather be going on road trips and then vlog about it, since I thought those are usually the types of adventures you would want to see, like most viewers would want to see, instead of me just sitting in a room just talking about nonsense and whatnot. Not necessarily, but yeah, I just thought road trips were just like something that I actually would enjoy, and I thought you guys would enjoy as well. And it'd be a little bit difficult to like talk about exactly what goes on in my life, and since I'm in school right now, so it's a little bit difficult to keep up with what I'm trying to do and stuff. But anyway, for real, like so I'm starting to try out this vlog thing and just see where this takes us. I hope I don't make this boring for all you guys, and well, especially two of my friends who try to convince me to watch my videos as well. So I need to start on this homework for real. Like, I need to do this now. Yeah, so if you don't know, I'm actually a math major right now. Look at this. I'm actually in a Calc 3 class, and I haven't started on this homework, and it's due tomorrow. So I don't know why I keep doing this to myself. I like keep slacking off. It's almost the end of the semester, so but damn it, we have finals to deal with. Shit. I don't want to do this. Oh my god. I just want another day of break where I just want to sleep. Just fucking lay in my bed all day. That's not all. I still have more to do. So I hate myself doing this. Several hours later, I finally got everything that I need to finish, and this is the last day I need to submit. And we're done. I am done. Close this up. Okay, it's already dark time already. I'm about to leave the house soon. Let me turn on the light. That was like what, 5 hours in the making? Oh my god, I actually didn't even eat, so yeah, there goes that. But it's okay, I'm going out, so we'll find food from there, so it doesn't really bother me. All that matters, I am done. I am done. Should probably get ready since my friends were about to play ball at 6, and it takes me about like 30 minutes just to get to school there. So I'm gonna check you guys back in a bit. Yo, so we in at Ikea. We're about to get some food. We're gonna be lit. Yo, turn around.
Oh god.
Yo, turn around though.
Oh wait, is this?
Fam, yeah, it's you want though.
But yeah, dude, I try to find shit every day.
Bro, I'm fucking hungry though. Holy
Dude,
shit. I actually, like I said, I didn't even eat lunch. I'm so starved. I'm pretty starving. I'm ready to eat, bro. Like legit teacher up like ice cream. She's really trying. Did you fucking see it? Did you fucking see it? Bro, she's the best, ain't she? Come on. Oh, you're getting there. Come on, Olivia, come on. I have no idea how long we've been here, but it's like probably 2 hours. And God, I'm sweating like crazy. Well, I actually feel like I've worked out for once in a while. Ooh. Dude, we went around the world though.
Alright, man. This one's for your vlog, okay?
Alright.
This one's for Chinese club.
Alright. Joel Ashes will love this. No. Oh! You guys see that? You guys see that? Instant replay, instant replay. Come on, run, run! Run, run!
Oh! There you go. Finish it, Olivia.
Finish it.
Let us on down.
Oh my god, I can't. Like, my
Again.
arms are dead.
Again.
I can't.
It's really good, am I right? I think so.
Oh my god.
You can actually race like
I swear
most
to God,
of this.
you got me put off.
Nah, you're gonna see this on edit. Don't worry.
Okay, you can put that in, because I made it.
Go, go, go.
Come on, come on, come on, come on!
Oh,
Hey!
That's all. Oh, that's not.
Never mind. Never mind.
I'm not confident enough right now. Let me get my confidence up.
oh my gosh, I'm gonna be dead tomorrow. You aren't gonna catch me in Chinese class. I'll be tired.
Ben, how much video do you got?
I don't know. Yeah, we're about to find. You guys are about to find out tomorrow.
Oh. Oh, oh.
Who is he doing? Who are you doing? Who are you doing? Ah! Will I do it? Will I do it? Ah! Come on.
Here, let's get. Here, I want to film Olivia, dude.
What's up, Olivia?
I want to be like the porn star, like freaking.
Yo, what's up? What's up? What's up? What's
How old are you? How old are you?
What's up? What's up? What's up?
Oh my god.
Gay.
Yeah.
Oh shit, that's not gay. I got you. First person from Olivia's head.
Oh my.
This is all the ramen. This is for all the ramens.
He's gonna fucking miss this.
Oh.
You got to give up ramen. Alright, go lay it up. Lay it up. Lay it up. Lay it up again. Finish it. Finish it. Finish it. Fucking finish it, man. Finish it.
Let's go, come on.
Alright, there's my porn star filming right there.
World star, baby. Or, I mean, porn star. Another one. Yo, what's up?
I thought your battery died.
Nah, we all good. We all good.
I don't know, because it said battery exhausted.
Don't worry, it's all good.
That shit
now.
was like,
Damn,
Nah, we all good. Nah, bro, it's all good. It's fucking like, what, 10:50 right now? Bro, I'm about to head home. I'm fucking tired.
where?
Holy shit. Man, quit yelling. I'm talking here, man. I'm trying to talk to these people. Bro, I'm like tired. I just want to head home and go to sleep.
I can't laugh at anything.
I didn't say you can't laugh at anything.
What?
Olivia, you are so like, your attitude is off your charts.
Seriously,
Man,
oh my.
get a freaking like.
This guy thinks I'm actually pretty good, but have you seen that previous footage? I was like total shit right there.
Gang.
Gang, 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 gang.
You want mine?
I'm about to head home now. I'm so tired. Hopefully I can make it back home. I'll see you guys back. Boy, that was a long day today. Today was actually pretty good. It was fun. Like Ikea adventure and balling with Paul and Olivia. That was fun. Olivia knows how to shoot for real. Like, have you seen my skills? It's like pretty shit. Paul's definitely got more skills than I do. No, in all seriousness, I had a fun time with them today, for real. It's definitely the last day of Thanksgiving break was definitely well spent. I'm probably gonna see him in class tomorrow. I'm just glad that I got all my homework done. Those several hours was just exhausting. Well, I'm going to call it a day and take a shower and just probably go to sleep at this point. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.
This quick one though.
Can I kick the ball?
This ain't kickball though. Or, yeah, this ain't kickball or soccer. Oh, that's off. That's you, Olivia. Swing it back. Alright, I got you. See you. Money. That's you. Ah. That's you. This one's for you, Ben. Alright, let's see. Ah. You gotta cut that one out.